Okay, so to make an ear, ears can be kind of difficult, but to make an ear, what I like to do is I start out, so I'm going to pretend like this is the head. I start out with a generalized ear shape, just kind of like a leaf, and I sort of push it and pull it in here. Now when you put your ear on your head, your ears don't go like that, your ears kind of angle so that the top of your ear is farther back on your face than the bottom of your ear where your earlobe attaches. When I do any sort of ear sculpting, I use reference photos because it's hard to sort of see your ear. And because you have to make two ears, you want to make sure that they're equal. I don't make them at the same time. I work on one and then work on the other. So as I'm doing this, I'm pressing this ear in, and I'm going to press it in the back. Ears are strange things, for sure. The way that they come in and out is kind of weird, but that's all right. Bring this down. Making sure it's attached in the back so I can really kind of move it around. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to establish where the ear canal is, where the ear goes into the head, because after that point, this is going to be, it's like my deepest point. And I'm going to bring the lobe down a little bit. I'm going to start establishing, there's like a space in here that where the sound travels, I guess. And then you have cartilage out here. Now the cartilage up here realized I was a little bit too far out. My ear is a little tall. That's okay. So this cartilage curves down and into your ear. So if you look at your ears when you've taken all these beautiful photos of your ears, look at your ears. Most ears, they fold down. There's also an empty space, or it's hollowed out. It's a curved area up here. Really gonna push that down and carve it. Then this fold comes all the way to here, like the curve in here comes to here, and then it kind of flattens out and just becomes the outer edge of your ear lobe. Now I have very long earlobes. Some of you may have, and they're attached to my head. Some of you may have detached earlobes. That's cool. But just, you know, decide for yourself what kind of earlobe you're going to give your piece. Then up here, so this curves down and into this part of the ear, but then up here there's another piece of cartilage that tucks into here. I'm going to just build it up a little bit. Make sure my earlobe has enough clay, because this folds into there, that folds down into here. This needs to be pushed over a little bit. I've made it a little too wide, this area. So I'm just going to add a little bit of clay. Now the back of my ear has gotten a little bit big, so I'm just going to push that down. Ears are really hard, and you have to do 2 of them. And everybody kind of has this idea of what ears look like, but ears are much stranger in reality than you would even think. The other thing is your jawline comes over here. So your jawline is here. So your ear is kind of tucked back behind your jaw. And I want to make sure when I look inside that there's actually like a little bit of a ear canal. They kind of have an ear. Just got to keep playing with it.